Good morning. You're going to be watching this on New Year's Day. Happy New Year! 2023 is here. Are you ready to rock and roll? I am. This is number 34 vlog. So this time next year, I'll be done with this. Anyway, got my final workout of the season done. I had my fastest time on the bike and my second fastest on the run. So that's not a bad way to end the year. So today is just to kind of let go of everything that didn't go well in 2022 and remember all the great things from 2022. And then, of course, make a promise to myself that 2023 is going to be flipping awesome. Hope it's awesome for you. And if you want, you can follow all of 2023 with me, because I will be right here every day sharing whatever good, bad, or indifferent happens. So anyway, I have earned my coffee for the last time in 2022. I'm off to get some. All right, so I finally started my 2023 project. At least I got it up on the rack. You can see it there. Old Silver. She is going to get some engine work and a little bit of a makeover this spring. And this project I'm actually excited to do. So I've got it up. It's ready. It's just waiting for me to have some time. So watch for videos of that coming soon. I'll try to go piece by piece for everybody that wants to know how to take their bike apart. So maybe it'll help somebody else take their bike apart. Anyway, it's New Year's Eve. Get ready to head to St. Pete to hang out with Baby Badger and Nerdy Badger. We're going to hang out where Baby Badger works, Ford's Garage. Then I think we're going to go over to OCC, check out what's going on there, maybe watch the ball drop from OCC, and then back to the house, because we got to be back here early in the morning because we have a New Year's Day ride that G-Ma Badger kind of all planned. So we'll see what she's got planned for us. All right, guys, so plans changed. Desi's got a boy, and she's going to hang out with the boy after work. So that means we're going to stay here.
Apparently, boys trump family. And cheers from my... There you go.
So Mama's drinking, I'm drinking. We're going, we're saying fuck the diet, and we're gonna go have pasta tonight. We haven't had pasta in probably 3 months. So we're going to have some pasta tonight and throw the diet out the window and have a good time. So here we go.
Is it not beef?
All right, we're at the Olive Garden.
Hey!
I don't have a pocket.
We go for the fancy places.
Can you see my hand behind my back? Can you see my hand behind my back?
I can't see anything. Here we go. This guy's like, where are we going? What are we doing? What's going on? Maybe a long wait. Look at the people behind me. Who are they? Look at this. Grandma's like in...
Yeah.
I mean, look at all the empty tables.
Yeah.
You would think we would go right in.
Might be short-staffed, Dad. That's not the days. Oh, places are still really short-staffed.
How come? People don't want to work?
Back in my day, if you were short-staffed, that was a personal problem.
Hey, you're part of the problem. Sonny, they all want to be YouTubers. They're all
They all want to be YouTubers.
Well, you definitely want to be a YouTuber if you're short-staffed.
Yeah, I know.
All right, let's go get our name in. All right, guys, so super exciting shit going on with the Badger Den. I am trying to teach these people how to play poker.
These people.
Guys, I have played a lot of poker tournaments in my life. I've played with newbies. I ain't never played with the likes of these people. So, win, lose, or draw, this is going to be an interesting night. I'm going to need some more alcohol for this.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, we'll see who won. I won the first hand, And I believe I have the most chips at the current moment.
Yeah, he did. He wiped Ray and I out. Yeah.
So anyway, yeah. Wish me luck. All right, y'all. So poker night is over at the Badgers. I'm pretty sure I won.
I stole all your.
Oh yeah.
I played one-on-one with somebody
yeah,
and I stole
he
all their
won.
deactivators, whatever
I
you
guess
want.
nobody's even listening.
Nobody counted.
Anyway,
How do you know?
because my stack's bigger than your stack, woman. Anyway, so now I gotta play some like puking cat game or something like that.
Kittens,
Exploding kittens. I would like to explode a couple of kittens around here.
Hey!
Would that be bad? Anyway, we've got like 2 hours till midnight. We'll see if we make it. If not, we will see you tomorrow. Yay!
Happy New Year, everybody! We made it. Woo. Where's my kiss?
Mwah.
Oh my gosh, seriously?
I have no idea if I recorded that. Anyway, all right, guys, we actually stayed up till midnight. It's time to go to bed. We'll see you tomorrow.
Where's my kiss?